What's going on, guys? So today we're in the Turd. Recently I've been noticing that I have my scan gauge, and I've been noticing the temperatures going. Normally they're at 204, then the fans kick in, it goes down to 196, and then it fluctuates back and forth. Recently I've been noticing it went up to 206, 207, and then it goes back in, the fans kick in and everything. Next day I open up the radiator and I can hear pressure. So going back and forth, I'm not sure if it's an issue with the radiator cap, the radiator, or even worst case scenario, the head gasket. So we went ahead and bought this kit right here. It's a combustion leak detector. So basically, you put this, take out the radiator cap when the engine's cold, turn it on, and you put this blue fluid to that marker. And with the little suction thing it has on top, it basically, if it detects combustion gas going into the cooling system, it will turn yellow, and from there we're kind of cooked. So we're right here at the regular spot. We're gonna let the car cool down, and we're gonna see if we can try this out. Now if it's negative, then the issue might be radiator cap or the radiator or something else. Hopefully it's not a bad head gasket, but we'll see. Also, while we're here, I did bring my funnel kit, so we're gonna try to bleed out the coolant. Maybe just some air pockets got in there, and God knows how. I mean, the thing is, this radiator's from my K-Nugget, and the radiator cap got lost. So when Gino gave me his radiator, which is a lot older, I used the cap on this car. So I'm not sure if the cap is going off or something like that. So we're gonna try this, see if it helps, or we'll see. We'll go from there. From a visual standpoint, the radiator cap seems to be dry. I don't see any wet spots anywhere that I can tell. But what concerns me is this right here. I showed it before. So I went ahead, safely released the pressure. It didn't have that much pressure built up. Brought down the coolant at least maybe an inch. When I squeeze it, kind of see movement. Top, same thing. So now we're gonna get our test kit and then turn on the motor. All right, here goes nothing. There we have it. It's not doing shit. I mean, you're supposed to connect it to a vacuum hose, so I connected it over there. I'm not sure that's helping, but so far, I don't see it turning colors. I see air. Not turning green. I don't see no bubbling. So pretty much taking some coolant out of the system. That way when we put our contraption. But so far the radiator seems to be dry. Well, I guess we'll see what happens. I really don't like the Leslie kit because you have to connect it to a vac source instead of having the little thing on top. So I think I'm gonna run over to Harbor Freight and buy the one they have. I already have the liquid. So while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead, try to bleed the coolant, see if that helps, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna run to Harbor Freight and buy the other test kit, the one that has hand pump, because the whole vacuum was kind of confusing. I tried to connect it to the intake, not sure that worked, but while we're here, we're gonna try to bleed out the system. This is the highest point, and I have the heater on right now. Not sure that's normal. So here it's still going. This is hot. This is hot. It's up 202. But the heater's not really working. Yeah, but the heater ain't doing shit. So the fan already kicked in twice. Little bubbles are coming out here and there. As you can see, the water is vibrating, leading to me that the water pump's on the thing. I don't know why the antifreeze is kind of coming a little dirty, like oily. That makes me think that one of the hoses is leaking somewhere. But so far, I mean, no crazy bubbles. Just the heater is not working. That's what's my concern right now. But right now, the temperatures are good. 195, double 204, fan station. So, the kit, I needed a vacuum source. This one, you just go and pretty much. So we're gonna go ahead, fill it up. So I'm gonna fill it up to that level. A little bit more. And let's try to get some more coolant out of here. So now, make sure it's in neutral. Let's get this sticking out so we can see it. Oh shit. Oh fuck me. We got coolant coming out of here, so it might have messed up our test. So we're gonna go ahead, take some of it out. Fuck, I can't tell. So I did a couple attempts, but I keep getting fucking coolant trying to get out when I'm warming up the car. So at first it comes out blue, but then the coolant goes all the way up and it mixes with the liquid and it kind of messes everything up. Without me adding any coolant started going up onto the funnel and it's getting like little. I don't see the water moving, kind of. And we'll get little bubbles here and there. So it's quite confusing. You know, wait and go. We saw a little bubble. So far, this is cold. This is hot. I'm waiting for the thermostat to kick in. So far, this is cold. Water kind of moving. This is hot. Is that a mechanic? I'm waiting for the thermostat. There it goes. Another bubble. On the heater. See little bubbles coming out. Still not really as hot. Little bubbles still keep coming out. Hot. Fans are kicking in. So as I try to do the test, antifreeze seems to kind of come up. So I mean, so far the liquid's turning, it's staying purple. Once cooling went in, it turned green. I'm not too sure now, but the heater's not working still. I give it a little gas. Well, I'm not sure that's normal. The heater's working. Still got bubblets. Gotta say, it's a bit strange. So I have a heater on, did a couple heat cycles. Now this is empty. You can see it. It's sucking on antifreeze. The heater works. It's at 193. Got the heater on. Fans are kicking in. I try to bleed it as much as possible. It's kind of hard to get a reading with the head gasket test because antifreeze kept trying to go up and mixing with the liquid. I mean, you can see a lot of liquid has decided. So I've done a couple heat cycles. Fans kick in at 204. So as of right now, I'm pretty kind of puzzled what the issue is. I mean, I need to retry the head gasket, but I'm running out of time. So, well, we'll see. We'll see what happens next.
Behaviors, Kumit, Nana, Onut, just allow center. So yeah, in you're from Civic.